Hello friends, my name is Ansika Patel and today I am going to show you how to make an origami butterfly. See, today we are going to make this beautiful butterfly. So let's see how it is made, and for that you need 15 into 15 origami paper, a pencil and then scissor. So first you have to keep the paper in diamond shape. Then we will fold it like this in a mountain fold. Now we will open it. Then we will turn it again into a mountain fold in a diamond shape, and again we will do mountain fold. We will open it, turn it into a square and fold it into a valley fold. Turn it again into a square and again do it valley fold. Open it, then put the finger like this over here and then take this corner up. Then we will do it like this side also. We have done. Now we will do this side, now this side, and now this side, and then again we will do like this, and these two lines we will take down and this we will press it. Now this will form you a water bump fold. Now we will hold it like this and fold it into a half, and then you have to see from where it is opening, and there you have to take your pencil and make a curve on it like this and then cut it. Then we will open it and then we will give it perfection. There should be no sharp edges. This side also. And these should be equal. These should be equal. Now we will turn it like this. The sleeping line should be above. Then we will take one part, join it till the middle line, then take it up again and a little bit slanting. Again this one we will make it till the middle and then again a little bit slanting. Then we will hold it like this and take this up. And then now we will press it like this. From here we have pressed it. Now we will turn it like this. Then we will fold it like this in the middle. Open it and make it like a butterfly. See, our butterfly is ready, but just it needs to stand properly. See now, it's standing properly. So now see, my both the butterflies are ready. See, they look so cute and beautiful. So you can also make them in just a few minutes and enjoy with them and keep playing with them. Bye bye.